Hello, my name is Parrot. This video, it's gonna be somewhat a short video. Uh, it's just going to go over my plan to build my funding from zero to 400K in 2025. There are a lot of scammers in this industry, and the more you delve deep, the more you realize how almost everyone's a scammer, the more you start to feel like trading may be impossible. Now, I don't believe that. I believe I can make this work. I believe this can work if you just stick to it. So, in order for me to see if I can trade and show everyone that I can do it, I'm going to be building my funding from zero to $400,000 in 2025. Now, how am I going to do this? I will be following a strict plan. I'll first start with a $5,000 account. I will start doing this and live trading every day when I'm going to take my trades on my Discord server, so you can see everything happening there. I will be live trading it, and I'm going to follow certain rules that I will never break, no matter what, no matter how much profit I'm in, no matter what I'm doing. These rules consist of one trade a day. If second trade, risk half. So if I want to take a second trade, I will risk half. For the first trade, risk 1%. So my first trade of the day, I'll risk 1%, and I will partial 50% at 1 RR. No questions asked. I'm going to secure that 0.5% profit and instantly set PE. I'm going to set my stop loss to break even. Play it safe, play it slow. Now, I won't be using a fixed RR. Instead, targets are reasonable, high, low. Only trade power of 3. As you know, my strategy revolves around the power of 3. I talk about this every day. Power of 3 is what I've mastered, and I'm looking to master even more. I'll be looking to upload daily trade recaps of every single trade that I take, whether it's a loss or it's a gain. I will keep track of them in a journal that you can see live. Every single trade will be live, taking live on my Discord. So go ahead, join that um, if you want to watch me trade live. And yeah, I'm giving myself a year to turn nothing to 400K. And if I fail to do so, I will quit trading. I will refund everyone who joined my premium section or whatever, and then I will quit trading. So that's my plan for 2025. A little backstory about me. I've been trading for 3 years. I am currently 18. And I used to be funded $200,000. I built this funding from a 25K account or 50K, I don't remember. Started there, some profits, and then bam, I was funded 200K. Now, I once mentioned where I'm from, but the prop firm that I was with banned my country, and they denied a huge payout of mine, which was like around 7% profit on a 200K account. So you can do the math yourself. That's a lot of money. And from then, I've just kind of been re-studying, revising, because the toll that has on your psychology is not small. It messes with your head and it makes things happen. So, yeah. Checklist. 2 educational videos a week. Trade recaps whenever I take a trade. Live trade on Discord. Post every trade taken alongside with PNL on X. I have an X account and I will post everything there from now on. And when I do take my first trade, you'll be able to see it on the YouTube channel and you'll know that I'm back into trading. Water break. I've been trading for 3 years, 2 years of crypto and a year of Forex. And crypto didn't get me anywhere, so I switched to Forex. And ever since I switched to Forex, specifically NASDAQ, even though NASDAQ is an NDC, I still like to call it Forex because these are all Forex pairs. And yeah, I want to see if I can reach this goal of mine. This is all I'm going to be focused on in the year of 2025. If my life changes, you will see it happen. If it doesn't, you will also see it happen. This will happen in front of you. So, if you want to be with me on this journey, I'm not here to fuck around. I'm here to change my life, and I want to do it in front of you. What's my plan if I do reach this goal of mine? If I do reach this goal of mine, I will upload a multiple hour long video going through every single detail I know about trading. Everything that I trade will be there for free. Every premium or private video that I have will be set public. And I will sell nothing. And I will help everyone become profitable for free. That's my goal. Well, for now, I have to prove it. This is my way of proving it. I cannot just tell you that I've been funded before and I know what I'm doing and come buy my course, guys. I can't tell you. So instead, I'm going to trade in front of you and show you that I can do this. And I will do this in front of you. So that's pretty much it for this video. Not a big video, I know. But educational videos will come back. Give them time. And see you in the next video, which is most likely tomorrow.